Previously on Hardline.
What we have is a...
What the hell's that?
Someone just shelled this fucking building! Just fix that goddamn plane. I'll hold them off.
Oh, so now you want me to fix the plane?
Whoa! More choppers!
What do you expect? You just started a war!
So, here's the deal. You tit wizards are all out of options, which means I'm gonna kill you, chop off your heads, and piss down your necks.
He's throwing out a smoke screen! He's running! I think he's stalled out! More choppers! Smoke's cleared up! Boomer! I got Albert!
And the world thanks you. Look, this thing's ready to fly!
Yeah, I'm on my way. And Boomer, fuck it is not encouraging.
Nick, I'm rolling out onto the runway. You gotta come to me!
After we join up with Kai and Tyson, we are going straight to Miami.
Yeah, told you I could fix it.
Radios, uniforms, C4, scuba gear, harnesses, cable trolley, and one safe-cracking robot.
So we're good, right?
We are good.
Let's get to Miami.
Wait. We gotta give this place one last sweep. We don't want to leave anything incriminating behind.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to go.
What the fuck is that hissing?
What, you thought you could hide from me, Mendoza? I taught you everything you know. How's it going, Nick?
Damn it, shoot this prick!
Gun jam. Some bad luck. Bye-bye, Nick. Damn it, Kai!
Yeah, sorry. It's Dawes.
What, you want to answer? Say hello? Straight to dead guy voicemail.
Wait, what are you doing?
Dawes is gonna probably want an update. I'm sending him one. Come on, Tyson, where the hell are you? You should have come out of there by now.
It's been over an hour.
Maybe he got lost.
There's a sign on the door that leads to the tank. How hard could it be?
Hey guys, sorry, I got lost.
Where the hell are you?
Finding the water tank was easy. Finding the drainage, not so much. More pipes than a church organ in there.
Hey, Tyson, man, stay away from the cameras.
Relax. All they're seeing is a hard-working window washer.
Get the cable ready. We're moving in. Minimal radio contact from here on out.
Got it.
Man, the Dawes have put his office in a more evil-looking building?
Be glad he's in that building. Otherwise, we'd be screwed.
Wait a minute. Does every skyscraper down here have a water tank at the top?
Most of them. Keeps them from rocking during hurricane season.
Man, between his biometric elevators and all the bulletproof glass, Dawes must think that penthouse of his is pretty much impregnable.
I guess we'll find out, won't we?
Come on. Tyson's dropping the cable any minute.
Here, I got another one. Fireworks kinda suck. Shit, fireworks starts.
There's the van.
Go!
Just give me a minute.
Come on. Kind of on the clock here, Boomer.
Yeah, I know. One thing. Are you guys really sure about this?
A little late for that, isn't it?
Look, I'm just asking. Look, if I was gonna have 1,000,000 gallons of water dropped...
200,000.
Or 200,000 gallons or whatever, I would want someone to make sure I'm safe. That's all I'm saying.
Hey, you got another way up to that penthouse? I'll take it. And blowing out that stabilizer tank was your idea.
Hey, it seemed a lot more doable when we weren't about to do it.
Jesus.
Tyson's back on schedule. Give me the C4.
Here.
Got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in here, too?
Well, I could write bomb across it if you want.
Come on, let's get this over with.
Get the cable to the boat.
Man, I ought to be up there with the brute.
You want to trade jobs?
You know, actually, I think I'm good. Have fun.
Nice try.
If you want to get a look into the lobby, the parking garage on the right has an advantage. There's a few ways inside.
Looks like it.
Loading dock in the back, mezzanine staircase on the side. Also, there's the front door.
And lots of guards.
Boss man only had so many dollars to go around. Twice the men, half the pay. It's math, fool.
It's business.
Grenade at your feet!
I'm going here!
locked down. Security station's in the lobby. Okay, bet I can figure out this code. Kai, elevator's unlocked.
A lot of guards for the 4th of July, huh?
Think Dawes knows we're coming?
Maybe. But not how we're coming.
Guys, I'm on the 19th floor, but it's a guard party up here.
All right, then we go to 20.
Hit him from above. Nice.
So tell me, what'd you do for 4th of July when you were a kid?
You know, put fish sauce on hot dogs, watch stuff explode. Tyson, we're on 20.
Welcome to Preferred Outcomes. I'm outside a corner office. Looks like it's under construction.
We're on our way.
Somebody left a tablet out. See if it's unsecured.
Not bad, Miami. Not bad.
Look around. Jesus, guys, this glass had better be bulletproof for my sake. Got this fucking guy!
Over this way!
Tyson said he was in the corner office, right?
Hey, come on.
Here, Boomer packed you a lunch.
Hey, you know, I actually haven't robbed a place in probably 8 days.
Hey, you sure you found the right pipe?
I'm sure. And I think you two are nuts.
Let's get upstairs.
Now comes the fun part.
Dawes relies on that private elevator to keep his penthouse safe.
Boomer did say it was unhackable.
Good thing we're not hacking it.
All clear. You two Aquanauts can blow the charges anytime.
10-4.
Here it is.
Put your mask on.
You sure about this?
Hey, if we want that money, I have to push this button.
Right.
Back in LA, you told me to trust you, and I did.
And look where that got you. Say, relax, Kai. It's gonna work.
I have no idea if this is gonna work.
Then I guess it is my turn to trust you.